Bend pink pipe cleaner, twist ends tight, leaving 2.5 centimeters and 1 centimeter. Take half a pink pipe cleaner, wrap it around the bottom to secure. Twist into a small loop and fix it. Shape it into a teardrop form. Take a new pink pipe cleaner, wrap it around to fill the whole shape. Trim the top end to a point. Fold a white pipe cleaner at 8 centimeters. Cross and twist the short end, leave 1 centimeter. Pull the long end through, wrap once around the top. Curve the petal inward, then bend the edges outward. Shape the whole petal into a cup form. Secure the stamen to the stem with half a pink pipe cleaner. Glue the stamen into the center of the petal. Add more glue to reinforce the stamen and petal. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.